process already we have learnt how to divide a number by a given number, that is, we will divide this number by this one. This is known as dividend, this is known as divisor. Now we will divide this 389526 by 47. For this, we should know the 47 table, that is, for 47 ones are 47 twos are 94, 47 so on up to 47 tens are 470. This is the table of 47. Now we will start dividing. In 47 table 3 is not there, so we will take next digit. 38 also not there, take next one, it becomes 389. Now search for 389 in this table. 389 is not there, 376 is there, 423 is there. So less than 387 we should see for less than 387 is 376. That is 47 8s are 376. 47 8s are 376. We will write and subtract here. 3, 1, 0, 13 remains, and we will take just after this next digit, that is 5, and we write here it becomes 0135 means 135. Once again we will search for 135 in the table of 47. See here 135, 141 is there, 135 is not there. So less than 147, less than 135 which is there, 94 is there. So we will take 94, 47, 2s are 94, and we will subtract this one 1, and 13 minus 9 is 4, and this one is 0. We will take after 5, 2 is there, and we will write here it becomes 412. Once again search for this one. 423 is there, greater than this one, 412 is not there, so less than 412, 376 is there. So once again 47 8s are 376. Once again subtract this one. 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 11 minus 8 is 3, and this one is 0. 36 remains. Now take last digit, that is 6, and write here it becomes 366. Search here, see in this table whether 366 is present or not. It is not there, so less than this one is this 329, that is 7s are 47, 7s are 329. Now we will subtract 16 minus 9, 7, 3, 0, 37 remains. Quotient is, this one is quotient, this one is remainder. We get remainder, quotient and remainder as 8287 and 37. Therefore, quotient eight to 87 and remainder is 37. Now we verify this quotient and remainder what we got right or not by using the formula, that is dividend is equal to this one. This is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. By using formula, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. By using this formula, we can verify what we have got this quotient and remainder correct or not. Now we dividend is this one 389526. We should get, first of all we see what is the quotient, 8287. Divisor is 47 and remainder is 37. First we will multiply these two, quotient and divisor. Now we will multiply 8287 by 47. Now start multiplying by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56 plus 4 60. 6 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 6 20. 7 8s are 56 plus 2 58. Now we will multiply by 4. 4 7s are 28. 2 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 34. 3 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 1 carry. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33. We will add these two results. 389 489 is the product of these two. Now we will add, we get product as 389 489 plus 37 we will do. After adding 37 to this, we should get this dividend. This one 7 plus 9 is 16. 8 plus 4 is 12. 5 9 8 3. 389 526. This one we got 389 526. Therefore we got dividend. Then what we have got, this quotient and remainder in this division process are correct. We have solved. Now second one, we will divide 6846 3298 by 834. First we will take, this is the table of 834 up to 10. Now we start dividing. We see whether 6 is there in 834 table. No. Take next, 68 is not there. 684 is also not there. We will take next 6846. We will search for 6846 in 834 table. 6846. 7506 is there, which is greater than 6846. So we will take just less than this, that is 6672. That is 8s are 834. 8s are 834. 8s are 6672. 6672. Subtract 4 7 1 0. Take this one and write here. It becomes 1743. Now once again, see for 1743. 2502 is there. 834 3 which is greater than this one. So less than this one is 2 834 2s are 1668. Now subtract this one. 13 minus 8 is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0 0. Now take after 3, 2 is there, take it down and write here. It becomes 752. Check whether 752 is there in 834 table. Not there. Less than. This one is also not there. If 752 is not there in this table, you write here 0 and take next digit down. That is 9. 7529. Now search for 7529 in the table of 834. 7529. 7529 is there, not there, so less than this one 7529. 7506 is there, we'll write that is 9s are 834, 9s are 7506. Now subtract 3200 and take next digit down and write here, it becomes 238. Once again search for 238 in the table of 834. It is not there. Less than 238 also not there. So once again you write here 0 and take next digit. If it present, it is not present, and this is the quotient and this one is the remainder. Now we will verify this one. What we have got, this quotient and remainder are correct or not by using this formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. We will write the values of these here, and after solving this one we should get dividend. See here, what is the quotient we got? 82090 into divisor is 834. If we add remainder to this, we should get dividend. Now we will multiply this one first, then we will add remainder to the product of these two numbers. Now we will multiply this quotient and by divisor. See what we will get. First we will multiply by 4, then by 3, then by 8. Now 4 zeros are 0, 4 nines are 36. 3 is written here, and 4 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 twos are 8, 4 eights are 32. Now we will multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 nines are 27, 2 is carry, 3 zeros are 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 twos are 6, 3 eights are 24. Now we will multiply by 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 nines are 72, 2 is here, 7 carry, 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 8 twos are 16, 6 is written here, 1 is carry, 8 eights are 64 plus 1, 65. Now we will add these three results to get the product of these two numbers. 0, 6, this is 10, this one is 10 plus 3, 13, this is 8 plus 8, 16, this is 10 plus 4, 14, this one is 8, 6. We got product of these two is 68463060. 68463060. If we add 238 to this, we should get this one, dividend. Quotient is 238. Now add 8, 9, 2, 3, 6, 4, 8, 6. 6, 8, 4, 6, 3, 2, 9, 8. This dividend we got. So 6, 8, 4, 6, 3, 2, 9, 8. This verification shows that what we have solved this division process, that one is correct. Now that divide 854904 by 24. This is the table of 24. Now we start dividing in 24 table. 8 is not there, take next one, it becomes 85. Search for 85 is not there, less than 85, 72 is there, that is 24. 3s are 72. 3, 1, 13, take next digit just after this 5, that is 4, becomes 134. Now search for 134 is not there, 144 is there, which is greater, so less than 134 is 124, 120, that is 24 5s are 120. Now subtracting, 14 remains and take next digit just after 4, which is 9, it becomes 149. Once again search for 149, which is not there, less than 149, 144 is there, 6 are 24, 6 are 144. Once again you subtract this one, 5, 0, 0, take next one down and it becomes 50. 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 3s is greater than 50, so we will take 24 2s are 48. After subtracting this one, we will get 2, and next we will take 4, it becomes 24, which is there in this table of 24. 24 1s are 24. After subtracting this, we get 0 as remainder. 3 4 6 3 5 6 2 1 as the quotient we will get. This is the quotient and this one is remainder. Now we will verify this whether we have done this division problem correctly or not. By verification we will come to know that. By using this formula, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, we should get result as dividend. Then the result is verified. Quotient is this one, 3 5 6 to 1, and this divisor is 24, remainder is 0. Now we will multiply these two, quotient and divisor. Let us see what we will get. First we will multiply by 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 2 carry, 4 5 is 20 plus 2, 22, 4 3 is 12 plus 2, 14. Now by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 8, 4, 5, 8. 8, 5, 4. Here in previous, this one was missing. Now I have written and multiplied here. Here we got this one, 854904 as dividend. So this problem what we have solved is right. After adding 0 to this, we will get same result only, 854904, that is 854904. So the result is verified. Now start dividing this 658854 by 226. This is the table of 226 up to 10. Now 6 is not there in this table. 65 is also not there. 654, search for this one in this table. 678 is there, which is greater, so less than 658 is 452, that is 2s are 226, 2s are 452, and subtract this one, 6 0 1, 106. take next one down and write here 1068. Search for this one. 1130 is there, 1068 is not there. Less than this one is 4s are 226, 4s are 904. This is 4, 6, 1, 0. Now take this one down and write here 1645. 1808 is there, 1645 is not there. Just less than this one is 1582, that is 7s are 1582. Subtract. After subtracting 3, 6, 0, 0. Take next one down, that is 4, 634. It becomes search for this one. 634 is not there. This one is there. Less than this is 452. That is 2s are 226. 2s are 452. Now subtract 2. 13 minus 5 is 8, and this one is 1. This is the remainder. This one is quotient. This is divisor, dividend. We will verify. We will multiply this quotient and this divisor. Then if we add this remainder to that, we should get this dividend. Then the problem is verified.